Seahorse Latte Art Advanced Pouring. A steady hand and understanding of milk texturing are key elements in this process. Practice and patience will help you achieve the desired results. Visualizing the seahorse before you begin can aid in executing the design. Experimenting with different pouring speeds and angles will refine your technique. With dedication, you can master the captivating elegance of seahorse latte art. The delicate art of seahorse latte art requires advanced pouring techniques. Precision and control are essential for creating the graceful curves and intricate details. Steaming the milk to the perfect microfoam. Consistency is crucial for achieving a smooth canvas. The pour itself involves a steady hand and a keen eye for balance. Starting with a basic heart shape, the seahorse's body is carefully formed. Then, with a flick of the wrist, the distinctive curled tail takes shape. Finally, tiny dots are added to represent the seahorse's eyes, completing the miniature masterpiece. This captivating art form elevates a simple latte into a visual delight. Thank you.